Branding strategy building strong brands. An effective brand strategy gives you a major edge in increasingly competitive markets. But what exactly does brand mean? Brand is nothing but an assortment of memories in customers' mind. Brand represents values, ideas, and even personality. It is a set of functional, emotional, and rational associations and benefits which have occupied target market's mind. When you think Volvo, you may think safety. When you think Nike, you may think Michael Jordan or Just Do It. The fact that you remember the brand name and have positive associations with that brand makes your product selection easier and enhances the value and satisfaction you get from the product. Brands simplify customers' purchase decision. Over a period of time, customers discover the brands which satisfy their needs. If the customer recognizes a particular brand and have knowledge about it, they make quick purchase decision and save a lot of time. Customers remain committed and loyal to a brand as long as they believe and have an implicit understanding that the brand will continue meeting their expectations and performing the desired manner consistently. So what makes a strong brand? There are many things that make a strong brand: uniqueness, quality, clear message, solid philosophy, targeted marketing, and audience awareness. Typically, what makes a brand great isn't just one amazing thing, it's a combination of several. A great example is IKEA. While they're definitely not a small startup, they perfectly exemplify a strong brand. Why? Because they're known for their low prices, giant stores, customer experience, cheap meatballs and setup room displays, and of course the blue and yellow colors with the blocky font. Similarly, fans of Apple are die-hard devoted because of not just one, but several key branding factors: the sleek look, the promise of quality products and innovation, the atmosphere of the stores. When you think about companies who are so powerful that they may as well be considered religions, consider that they all combine many things to make their branding work. It's not just a logo, it's not just a tagline, it's not even just marketing research. It's all of that and much more. So the major brand strategy decisions involve brand positioning, brand name selection, brand sponsorship, and brand development. When positioning a brand, the marketer should establish a mission for the brand and a vision of what the brand must be and do. A brand is the company's promise to deliver a specific set of features, benefits, services, and experiences consistently to buyers. The brand promise must be clear, simple, and honest. Motel 6, for example, offers clean room, low prices, and good service, but does not promise expensive furnishing or large bedrooms. In contrast, the Ritz-Carlton offers luxurious rooms and truly memorable experience, but does not promise low prices. Selecting a brand name is one of the most important product decisions a seller makes. A brand name reflects the overall product image, positioning, and ideally its benefits. A successful brand name can enable a product to be meaningfully advertised and distinguished from competitors. At its best, a brand can provide a carryover effect when customers are able to associate quality products with an established brand name. Attention to naming also helps customers associate products within the same brand family. For example, Apple names its mobile products with a lowercase I. For example, iPhone, iPad, iMac. Starbucks names its coffee sizes in Italian: short, tall, grande, venti, trenta. Brand sponsorship. A manufacturer has 4 brand sponsorship options. It can launch a national brand or manufacturer's brand, sell to resellers that use a private brand, market licensed brands, or join forces with another company to co-brand a product. Brand development. A company has 4 choices when it comes to developing brands. It can introduce line extensions, brand extensions, multi-brands, or new brands. Line extensions. Line extension refers to the expansion of an existing product line. For instance, a soft drink manufacturer may introduce a diet or cherry variety of its cola line, while a toy manufacturer may introduce new characters or accessories in its line of action figures. In short, line extension adds variety to its existing product for the sake of reaching more customers. Brand extensions. Brand extensions refers to the expansion of the brand itself into new markets. For instance, if a soft drink manufacturer unveils a line of juices or bottled water products under its company name, this would constitute an example of brand extension. The brand or company is an established name, and so the name alone can serve to drive customers to try new products completely unrelated to the older product lines. Multi-brand. A multi-brand strategy is defined as the approach of the company to market several similar and competitive brands of the same company under different brand names. The idea of multi-brand strategy is to restrict or end the competition and increase the market share. For example, PepsiCo markets at least 8 brands of soft drinks, 3 brands of sports and energy drinks, 4 brands of bottled teas and coffee, 3 brands of bottled water, and 9 brands of fruit drinks. New brands. A company might believe that the power of its existing brand name is waning, so a new brand name is in need. Or it may create a new brand name when it enters a new product category for which none of its current brand names is appropriate. For example, Toyota created a separate Lexus brand aimed at luxury car customers and a Scion brand targeted toward millennial customers. Companies must manage their brands carefully. The brand's positioning must be consistently communicated to customers. Advertising can help, however, brands are not maintained by advertising, but by customers' brand experiences.